You will want to review the area's allocation alternatives in Volume 1, Chapter 2, which are also illustrated on maps in Volume 2, Appendix A. To view the text version of the Energy and Minerals allocations by alternative, go to the bookmarks in Volume 1 of the electronic PDF document. Click on the bookmark titled 2.7.2 Quick Links to Resources and Resource Use Management Actions. This will bring up a page with all of the resources and resource uses highlighted in blue. Here you will find links to the following energy and minerals sections: coal, fluid minerals, locatable minerals, mineral materials, non-energy leasables, and renewable energy. Click on the section that you are most interested in, for example, the fluid minerals section. This will direct you to the fluid minerals portion of the alternatives in Table 2-2. This section describes which areas of the field office would be managed as open and closed to fluid mineral exploration and development, including oil, gas, geothermal, and oil shale resources under each alternative. This section also generally describes stipulations that would apply to new fluid mineral leases under each alternative. Similarly, the coal, mineral materials, non-energy leasables, and renewable energy sections describe which areas are open and closed to those types of development and what development restrictions apply under each alternative. The locatable minerals section describes which areas would be petitioned for withdrawal from locatable mineral entry or new mining claims under each alternative. When reviewing the Energy and Minerals section, if you are interested in learning about specific stipulations that may restrict development, you may want to be familiar with Volume 3, Appendix B, Stipulations applicable to fluid mineral leasing and other surface disturbing activities. These stipulations are designed to protect specific resources and include criteria for exception, waivers, and modification to the stipulations. Next, you will want to review the maps that show the proposed allocations for energy and minerals for each alternative. The maps depict which areas of the field office would be managed as open and closed to fluid mineral, coal, mineral materials, non-energy leasables, and renewable energy, as well as which areas would be petitioned for withdrawal from locatable mineral entry. Maps showing the combined stipulations are also included. The maps are included in Volume 2, Appendix A. Open the Volume 2 PDF document. Click on the bookmark titled Appendix A, Figures. Click the bookmark titled Fluid Minerals Maps, starting with Figure 2-38. There will be one map for each alternative. Other energy and mineral maps include coal leasing, starting with Figure 2-334, locatable minerals, starting with Figure 2-54, mineral materials, starting with Figure 2-58, non-energy leasable minerals, starting with Figure 2-62, renewable energy, starting with Figure 2-86, oil shale, Figure 2-90 stipulations, starting on Figure 2-42. Often, objectives for management of resources and resource uses, such as fish and wildlife or recreation and visitor services, drive the area allocations and stipulations that apply to energy and minerals development. Therefore, you may want to review the management actions for many of the resources and resource use sections in Chapter 2 as well. These sections can also be found at 2.7.2, Quick Links to Resources and Resource Use Management Actions. If you want more information after reviewing the maps, you will find the most information about current conditions regarding energy and minerals in Volume 1, Chapter 3, in Section 3.3.3, Energy and Minerals. You can find the information about the effects of the allocations and restrictions from the alternatives in Volume 2, Chapter 4, in Sections 4.4.5, Energy and Minerals. Social and economic effects are found in Volume 2, Section 4.6, Social and Economic Conditions. There are bookmarks to all of these sections in the PDF document. You may also find useful information regarding energy and minerals in the appendices in Volume 3, such as Appendix G, Draft Air Resources Management Plan, Appendix H, Best Management Practices and Standard Operating Procedures, Appendix N, Coal Screening Criteria in the Grand Junction Field Office, Appendix O, Air Emissions Inventory, Appendix P, Leasing Reform and Master Leasing Plans. Your review and comments on the content of this document are critical to the success of this planning effort. Comments may be submitted by email to gjfo_rmp@blm.gov. Comments will be more helpful if they include suggested changes, sources, or methodologies, and a reference to a section or page number. We look forward to your comments. With a general idea of how this document is formed, you will be ready to start reviewing the draft RMP. Use this video as a resource to guide you through the draft RMP. You likely have suggestions that could prove valuable in formulating our proposed management plan. Comments that are detailed and specific are most useful in our planning process than general overall remarks. We look forward to your comments.